This is fun! I can ride even faster! What was that? Oh no! Ha! My leg! Vanessa, wake up.
Go away, Eli.
Wake up! This is important. It is Sunday. No school.
I know. Why disturb my sleep? I heard something. Tell me later?
No. Leo? What about Leo? No! Cannot be true! Dad said hospital. Hospital? His leg hurt. I want to see him! Come, Mom, Dad downstairs.
Vanessa, dear, what happened? Mom, is true about Leo? He had accident? Yes, dear, last evening. Badly hurt, leg injured, but safe. Can we go hospital? We will go.
Yes, after breakfast, we go. Hospital visit be gentle, quiet, kind.
I can quiet.
Really?
Maybe 5 minutes.
Good start. Vanessa, eat something.
Not hungry.
Need energy. Love help, Leo.
Want see smile again. Take something for him.
Good idea. Take fruits? Yes, good. And chocolate. Chocolate? Leo love chocolate.
Always buy after school.
Okay. Fruits 1 big chocolate.
Make card for him. Beautiful.
Right from heart.
Dad, my heart is beating so fast.
It's normal.
Leo looks tired, not afraid. Should I smile? Yes, a soft smile will help. Hello, help you?
Visit boy Leo.
Full name?
Leo Parker.
1 moment, check.
Is he really? Yes, here.
Yes, you may go.
I quiet.
Thank you much.
Leo? Vanessa? Hi, why cry look? Scared. I okay? Sure?
Leg hurt. Okay now.
Hello, Leo. Feel how?
Hello, Auntie. Better before. Good see you.
Gifts?
Yeah, look.
Hello, Uncle.
Bring fruits. Chocolate.
Chocolate? Favorite! Remember!
Course I did. Feel better now. Made a card for you. For me? Yes. Get well soon, Leo.
Thank you, Vanessa.
Miss you.
Miss you too.
Leo, how happen? Riding bicycle park. Fast? Very fast. Knew it! Road quiet. Thought safe.
Quiet roads dangerous.
Yes. Heard something behind. Looked back? Yes. 1 second. Then? Wheel hit stone. Stone make fall? Yes. Bicycle shake. Lose balance. Then fall? Yes. Fall hard. Hurt much? Much!
Could not stand.
Who help you? Man nearby, running, called parents, help stay calm.
Kind him.
We are so grateful.
Doctors say rest weeks.
Few weeks? Yes, we'll walk again. Promise something?
What?
Not ride fast again.
Promise. No more speeding tickets.
Not fight stones.
Promise to. Sorry, visiting time over.
Already?
Leo, you need rest.
Come again?
Yes, dear, we'll visit again.
Really?
Of course.
Will.
Not want leave.
Not sad. Not alone now.
Never alone.
Thank you.
Careful, leg hurt. Sorry.
Okay.
Soft hug.
Get well soon, Leo.
Thanks, Eli.
Next time, ride slow.
Bye. Bye, Leo. Dad,
Yes, dear?
today I learned something.
What did you learn?
Life can change fast.
Yes, we should be careful and kind.
Never ride fast.
Exactly.
Scared when heard Leo.
Because care him.
Good friends not leave difficult times.
True.
Tomorrow visit again?
Yes, Make another card.
Write stones, not friends.
Eli, good friends stay close. Life hard.